So I got a little caught up with school and I basically neglected my outfit recaps. So I'm catching up on all my monthly outfit recaps from September to what is it now? January? Yeah, okay, I'm working on them right now. I promise I'm uploading them as soon as I can.
Oh my gosh, thank God it's Friday because I am so tired. Like, I am dead. Like, if you look closely, you can literally see my eye bags. I'm not even lying to you. I mean, I do have, like, a good eye cream, so, like, you can't notice it that much. But, like, if you're paying attention and you know me, you can kind of see it. But anyways, like I said, I'm tired. So, I went for comfy. But, of course, we can't just be comfy, but be comfy and cute. Because I was not able to wear what I wanted to this whole week. So, I had to, like, at least bring something together on Friday. So that's what we're doing. I'm wearing my Croc dupe sandals, and the charms are in my Amazon storefront if you're curious and want them. They're under like grunge and alternative fashion and gothic fashion. It's literally the same thing. Thrifted these. They're so comfortable. One more tank, local, mother, and icing. And that's literally it. I put my hair up because, girl, it's not a good hair day. Like, to have just down. No. I did not get to do my fit check before I left, so we're gonna do that now. Okay? Quickly, I don't know what the vibe of this is. If you know what it is, please tell me, because I don't know. But anyways, starting at the bottom, Guess sandals, and then some Old Navy jeans I thrifted. This, fun fact, it used to be a dress that my grandma gifted me, but I just wasn't giving her the love she deserved, so I was like, girl, I'm just gonna cut it and wear it as a top. So that's what is going on here. And then got the Frida Kahlo earrings that my aunt gifted me, and then here's a hair clip. I don't know, I guess I'm just tapping a little bit into my roots with this top and the earrings. And fun fact about the earrings, the other one literally came off because I was hitting the piñata and it literally came off. Like, the piñata knocked my earring out right now. Can y'all believe that? And I literally lost it, and this part broke. Like, the little... Today I'm outfit repeating because I procrastinated and didn't pick an outfit. So yeah, Ross top. The only thing I changed is I think I was wearing the cargo pants and I'm just wearing the Ross shorts, juicy couture belt, Croc dupes with Amazon charms that are linked in my storefront under alternative gothic grunge fashion, and then creepy ones jewelry. Use my card to save. And yeah, that's it. Alright. Today is lab, so there wasn't much I can do, but I remembered it's Hispanic Heritage Month, so I want to be wearing more of like Hispanic fashion and, you know, stuff like that, and things that represent that. So today I wear this Loteria shirt that has Selena on it, and then and I got this at the flea market in Texas, and then I'm just wearing the Levi cargos and my yellow Converse from, actually I don't know, because this is where they were a gift, but probably Journeys, to be honest, because that's the only place I see that have like all the colors. But yeah, simple fit, no jewelry. Okay, I didn't do like a lot with this outfit because I'm just tired, like physically, mentally, like I literally didn't get sleep, all of the above. So this is what I wore. I'm wearing the Amazon sneakers and waffle socks that are both linked on my storefront if you want. This matcha green AliExpress skirt that I've been wanting to wear for like a while. I don't know why I haven't. And then this shirt I thrifted. It's so cute. I remember these earrings that my aunt made for me, like literally made, like years ago, and they're still so cute. Literally, she made this for me when I was like in elementary school. So here we are now in uni and still wearing them. Love them. And I think this was at the time where my favorite color was green, and now it's still my third. Although I slept so much this weekend, I'm still tired. So I went in a more lazier route today, but it's just so cute and comfy, so it's okay. I'm wearing, actually all of this is from Ross. And then the shoes are from TJ Maxx. They're these Pumas. and then this headband my grandma gifted me, and that's legit it. Nothing else. No jewelry, nothing. But yeah, that's it. Okay, today's fit is like, I don't know, it's just simple. Kind of a last minute fit, but it's okay. It's cute. I'm wearing the Dreams from Converse, some Levi's shorts, t-shirt from Ross with the Queen of Cumbia, of course, and then some bracelets. Amazon grandma, someone made for me. A gift, and then I made, and then just a gold clip if you were curious. Not that it really matters, but yeah, that's it. Simple but cute today. I forgot to do this today, so let's just do it. Okay. Nothing out of this world today, just jeans, t-shirt, some sneakers, more specifically Converse purple ones from Journeys, the Ross jeans. Love these, so comfortable. And then just this Bratz t-shirt from Amazon. I think it's a men's storefront, but I don't know. Could be, could not be. Don't take my word on it. I definitely do have some Bratz stuff on there. I just don't know if this specific shirt is. And just a claw clip. Not that it matters, I guess, but yeah. Easy, simple, cute. It is finally fall weather, but I was running like extremely late today, so this is what I pulled together. Still pretty cute, but no accessories. So starting at the bottom, I have these maroon combat boots that are in my storefront if you're curious or want them. Undershoes, and then these Levi's shorts, super cute. And then this Selena t-shirt that I got at her museum, and that's legit it. Nothing else. Here's my outfit for Mexican Independence Day. Okay, this was actually an outfit that was like not even considered and just happened. So I'm using this shirt. That's not an official national soccer team merch. I got this at Melrose in Texas, I think. I don't know. Ross, Dollar Tree, Amazon, linked under shoes, Walmart hoodie, and then these earrings my grandma gifted me. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. Everything matches, you know, white, maroon, maroon, black on here, and then black in the here, and of course maroon with the other maroon. And yeah, that's it. Alright. Today's fit is centered around this t-shirt that I got in a Sketchy website, so I don't really remember the website except that it just looks sketch. So I got lucky that I got here. And then these shorts are thrifted. I'm wearing a Walmart hoodie and some Amazon boots that are under shoes if you want them. And then these Five Below rose earrings to match the roses. Yeah, that's it. Simple, cute. Alright. Today's fit is a bit basic. And it's kind of bugging me, but like it works, so like whatever. Converse were a gift. I'm wearing these Coles jeans, and then I thrifted the top, and then this is from Ross, and then this was a Walmart belt that I just mostly use as a headband. I don't really use it as a belt, honestly. But yeah. Oh, and then I had some bracelets. Y'all know about these. And then this one my sister made, and then this one I made. Well, actually, it was a phone charm, and then I was like tired of it, so I just left it as a bracelet. But yeah, that's it. Here's tonight's outfit for Karol G's concert. Okay, so these are 𝗣𝗶ဖိ𝘁𝗁𝗀𝗀𝘀𝗁 dupes that are in my Amazon storefront under 𝗣𝗶ဖိ𝘁𝗁𝗀𝗀𝘀 dupes and shoes. And then the fishnets and the arm sleeves are under MCB Karol G concert. And then thrifted the skirt, T-Mint top, Walmart hoops, and my Betsy Johnson glasses. And that's the full final fit. Alright. Alright, today's fit is starring Karol G's merch, of course. And then I'm wearing this skirt from 𝗣𝗶𝗁𝘁𝗲𝗿𝗲𝘀, my Amazon socks and sneakers. Pretty sure they're both on my storefront. I don't remember where, except obviously the shoes are in the shoes. Bracelets I made except this one that was I got from my grandma, and this, you know, remove Alec. And then this is icing, and then I just have a ribbon that I don't know, I got from Walmart, I think. I don't know. But yeah, this is a fit. Alright.
How about you?
I work in a bakery.
What do you do in the bakery?
I like serve.
I didn't get to do this earlier, so let's do it now. This is what I wore for RBD. The makeup's low-key coming off, but it's all to match these beauties. This is the 𝗣𝗶𝗁𝘁𝗲𝗍𝗀𝗁𝘁 collab. Oh my god. Obsessed, in love. Literally me in a pair of boots. Black and pink. Flowers, butterflies, and hearts. Yeah, definitely me. Anyways. And then I have the Amazon rhinestone fishnets that are on my storefront. It's from Amazon. Not on my storefront, but I can add it. H&M. Zoomies. Forever 21. This is Temu. And then icing. And these, I don't know, they were just, my mom got them. I have no idea. But yeah, that is what I wore. Full final fit. Here's the fit for today. Obviously, it's centered around RBD merch. And this is what it looks like. Anyways, I just wore some black shirts that I'm pretty sure are from Ross, but I honestly don't remember anymore. Like, I remember stuff, and then I just I can only retain it for like a few months, then I don't remember, okay? Like, I could care less. Because I had already told y'all where it's from, so I don't know. Fishnets are from AliExpress. Have the Amazon sneakers that are on my storefront if you want them. And then Creepy One's jewelry. Also linked in my Instagram bio if you want to purchase that. But yeah, this is the fit. Simple, cute, yeah. I literally keep forgetting to do fit checks, so I'm sorry. I remember I've already missed 2 in literally like the past week. So let's do today's. Okay. This outfit is based off Melanie Martinez merch. Love it. Obsessed with it. Had it for a while. I just have not worn it yet. I'm wearing the classic black skirt that I always wear. Forever 21 socks. Custom Converse. That actually has 𝗣𝗶𝗁𝘁𝗶𝗿𝗀𝘀𝗁 saying on here, but definitely regret that. And then this is thrifted. And these earrings that my grandma gifted me. So I don't know, that's probably from Texas or Mexico, I don't know. Obviously, indigenous. But yeah, this is the full and final fit for today. Alright, today was a lab, so that limited my bottom options. So I'm wearing the Levi cargos, per usual. And then these Adidas that I thrifted. So cute. And then the Blackpink tour merch. And then this bracelet I made. This matching set. And then I made this one too. And yeah, this matching set is just from a local person I bought. Anyways, yeah, that's it. Can't do too much because it's just lab and there's rules and stuff. So yeah, but this is the fit. Alright, today I am wearing Harry's merch, and I'm wearing KJ Maxx Pumas, Dollar Tree socks, KJ Maxx skirt, Ross cardigan, and then I have these bracelets. This one's from Celestial Salutation. This one was from a friend. And then I'm wearing these little pearls. And yeah, that's my fit. Alright, goodbye.
for dinner. Both my body and my bank account could figure. Thinking about me, but there's nothing to consider.